Good day, gentlemen and ladies. As you can see behind me, it's minus 24, feel minus 32. And it's gonna get up to minus 16 today. We're Saturday the... Oh, where it is written? Saturday the 24th of February. So yes, winter is strong up here. I just want to make sure that you see right there. Minus 24, feeling minus 32. So let's throw some boiling water in the air and let's do that. Cheers! And yes, at this cold temperature, I need to plug my car. Pretty cold. Woo! That's pretty cool. Practice make perfect, but I think this one fine good. Yeah, they all fall frozen. All right, time to go in front of my wood stove. All right, so I just restacked my wood stove. You can see the flame on the top, and I put my cold hardwood ice up, firewood. So it will all be melted. So definitely nice to have a wood stove inside my house. All right, so life is good and cold, despite of a cold temperature. Please do take care of yourself. I like you all, you like my hot boiling water. All right, cheers. Oh, life is good.